You are the result of a chain of cosmic events so fragile that if one single step failed, you would never exist. Not you, not Earth, not life. The universe almost failed to create you. At the beginning, the universe created matter and antimatter in almost perfect symmetry. When they meet, they annihilate. Everything should have vanished into pure radiation. But for every 1 billion antimatter particles, there were 1,000,000,001 particles of matter. That tiny imbalance became every galaxy in existence, including us. After the Big Bang, space was filled with nearly uniform gas. Too smooth, too even. But tiny quantum fluctuations, smaller than atoms, were stretched across the universe. Gravity slowly amplified them, until the first stars ignited. These stars were enormous. Astronomers call them population 3 stars, hundreds of times heavier than our Sun. Inside their cores, pressure reached billions of atmospheres. Temperatures exceeded 100 million degrees. For the first time, the universe began manufacturing elements. But creating carbon was nearly impossible. 3 helium nuclei must collide almost simultaneously. Quantum physics says this should almost never happen. Yet it does, because of a precise nuclear resonance predicted by Fred Hoyle. If that energy level changed by less than 1%, carbon would not exist. Neither would you. When the first giant stars died, they exploded as supernovas. Temperatures rose to billions of degrees. In those brief moments, the universe forged iron, calcium, gold, and oxygen, the ingredients of planets and biology. Billions of years later, one small planet formed in a narrow orbital region called the habitable zone. Too close to its star, water boils away. Too far, everything freezes. Earth sits almost exactly in the middle. On that planet, chemistry became biology. Biology became evolution. And after 3.8 billion years, atoms that were forged inside ancient stars assembled themselves into a thinking brain, your brain, a structure with nearly 86 billion neurons, which means something extraordinary happened. The universe began as energy, became matter, formed stars, created chemistry, built planets, and eventually produced a mind capable of observing it all. And when you trace that chain of events back to the beginning of time, you start to wonder, was this entire cosmic sequence just a series of accidents? Or was the universe somehow precisely arranged so that conscious beings could eventually emerge and ask that question?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing science videos.